going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are just going to do a small simple vlog. Today we are working on the R32 taillights. I was going to do a how-to video, but I just got too busy and was focused on working. I just forgot to record. So what we're going to do is just put everything together. I let the silicone sit overnight. So all you have to do is basically just remove the lenses, get the boards, put silicone in the center of the boards, and then just let it dry overnight. As you can see on the lenses, you can see the LED boards. So what we're going to do now is just put everything back together and then just check everything, see if it works. It will work, but just test everything before we ship them out to the customer. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the last taillights put together, as you can see. Now we're going to test out the LEDs, do a little bit of show. Let's do a little bit of test and show for you.
Perfect.